Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can book a hotel without a credit card on Agoda. So I'm just going to book a random hotel here. I'm not actually booking in this hotel obviously, but I'm just going to go to the final step for the payment information. Alright, so this is where the payment information is. I don't have a credit card. But down here there are a bunch of payment payment types that you can do. There's digital payment, you can use PayPal, there's monthly payment, there's bank transfer, and there's you can go to the counter. Now I don't know what it looks like on a different country because obviously it's going to be different than mine. But here are the options that I have if I don't have a credit card, which I don't. So that is it. Just select the one. I'll just do counter payment, for instance. And that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.